right, everybody, this is Dr. Blumenthal again. We are here with Natural Transplants in the Bethesda office, and Vonda has returned. She was here about 10 or 11 days ago for her surgery, where you just took out her sutures. And Vonda, catch us up on the last 10 to 11 days. How have they gone?
Everything has been great. When I left here 10 days ago, no pain at all. Everything you said would happen, happened. Everything you said wouldn't happen, didn't happen. I
didn't lie to you. That's good.
Did not.
Okay.
You are not a liar. I took pain medicine for about 2 or 3 nights, but not because of pain, just to get some rest, because we have to sit up in an elevated position. But other than that, everything is great.
Awesome. And we had talked about she took real good care of her hair. The grafts are nice and clean. They look fantastic. I'm going to zoom in here and you can see the grafts. They're probably about 3 days from falling off. And Vonda again wanted to keep the widow's peak in there. It looks beautiful. Nice edges. And we're going to pan around. We're going to show another example of the scar. You know, obviously, especially for guys, a lot of guys are concerned about the scar, and rightfully so. And this is just another example of our scars here. Trying to get this zoomed in, not too close, but it's basically the size of a paper cut. Eventually, once that hair grows in, you won't even be able to see it. All the way around. So just this tiny little line right there. It's a little raised just from the sutures. Once that flattens out and the scabs go away and the hair comes back, you're never going to see that. So that's a pretty typical one. It's not an atypical example. So awesome. All right, Vonda, any words of wisdom for anybody?
If you have traction alopecia or any kind of thinning, do what I do. Call Dr. Blumenthal.
Awesome. Well, we loved having you. We really appreciate you taking the time and sharing with everybody. And, you know, it does sort of inspire other people. So thank you. And look forward. I can't wait to see you in 3 months, 6 months, a year. It's going to be great. All right?
Thanks.
All right. Talk to you soon.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.